Hey, what is up, everybody? This is Chuck from Brand New Vegan, and today we're going to be grilling some dogs out on the barbecue. No, not hot dogs, carrot dogs. I know it sounds weird, but you've got to try these. They're freaking amazing because you see a carrot and you taste hot dog. I mean, they'll blow your mind. You got to try them. Here we go. Here's our ingredients. Got to have a recipe, of course. Get that from the link down below. Gotta have some carrots. Gotta have some soy sauce, low sodium, preferably. Some apple cider vinegar. Some veggie broth, low sodium again. Some maple syrup. Some liquid smoke, key ingredient. Some mustard. Some garlic. Jalapeno juice, I like it. You can leave it out. And some onion powder. And an Instant Pot. Now you can do these without the Instant Pot. You can cook the carrots on the stove, get them kind of soft, and then throw in the marinade and let them marinate overnight, or at least for an hour or two. The longer the better. But the Instant Pot makes it so easy. Okay, here we go. We're going to cut our carrots, bun length. And you can do as many as you want. I usually do, 6 to 8. That's about the number for a package of hot dog buns. Cut off the ends. Scrape them up a little bit, clean them. Okay, I rinsed in the cat. Here's our soy sauce. This is our marinade. And our vinegar. And our veg broth. And our maple syrup. A couple tablespoons of that. You can use whatever sweetener you like. I like maple syrup. And our liquid smoke. Some good old-fashioned yellow mustard. Jalapeno juice. Like I said, it adds a nice little twang. You can leave it out if you want. Some onion powder. And don't forget the garlic. Sometimes I crush my own. Sometimes I use this jarred stuff. It's all the same. Whatever works for you. Give that a whisk, get it nice and mixed up, especially the mustard. Add our carrots to our Instant Pot. Now that's a 6-quart Instant Pot. We're going to add our marinade. That's about a cup of marinade. That's the minimum amount of liquid you want for a 6-quart. If you got an 8-quart, you might want to double the marinade. We're going to put our lid on, set it to ceiling. 3 minutes. That's it. I mean, this is super fast compared to, letting them marinate overnight. After 3 minutes, we release the steam. That's my little trick. Use a wooden spoon. Pop off the lid. There you go. Look at that. Perfect. 3 minutes. That's all it takes. Now, you can leave them in the Instant Pot. You can put them in a little container like this. Throw the marinade in there with them. Let them marinate additionally however long you want until you're ready to grill. Speaking of grill, there's some potato wedges. There's my carrots. They are so good. They taste just like a hot dog, I swear. Throw on some mustard, some ketchup, a little kraut, some chopped onions, a little pickle relish, whatever you like. Smoky vegan carrot dogs. There you go. Hope you enjoy the video. Hope you enjoy the carrot dogs. I know they sound crazy, you just gotta try them. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe. And we'll do another video next week. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.